Most people get this completely wrong when they try to move Google Play balance to PayPal. They assume there is a direct transfer button hidden somewhere in settings. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, Google Play still does not allow direct transfers to PayPal. In this video, I'll show you what actually works, what does not work, and the safe ways people are using to indirectly convert Google Play credit into usable money without getting their accounts flagged. First, let's clear the biggest confusion. You cannot officially transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. There is no built-in feature, no secret setting, and no official withdrawal option. So if someone tells you there is a direct method, that is already a red flag. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though direct transfer is not possible, there are indirect methods people use through services and digital purchases. For example, Google Play credit can be used to buy digital items, subscriptions, or apps that may later be resold or refunded, depending on the platform rules. But here's the problem. Most of these methods come with risk. Google's policies are strict in 2026, and suspicious activity like repeated refunds or resale attempts can trigger account restrictions. That is why you need to be careful and stay within safe usage limits. Let's break down the realistic options. First option is using your Google Play balance for services you already pay for. For example, subscriptions like YouTube Premium or apps that support Google Play billing. This does not convert your money to PayPal, but it helps you save real cash that you would normally spend elsewhere. Alex used his gift card balance on subscriptions and freed up his actual bank money for other needs. Second option is purchasing digital goods or services that allow legitimate resale. Some users buy in-game items or digital credits and then sell them through allowed marketplaces. However, this depends heavily on platform rules and is not guaranteed income. In a minute, I'll explain the most common mistake that gets people banned when trying to convert gift card balance. Before that, avoid any third-party websites claiming instant Google Play to PayPal conversion. Most of them are scams designed to steal your account or personal data. Now, here's the biggest mistake. People try to use unauthorized exchange apps or balance converters. John tried one of these tools and ended up losing access to his Google account. These services are almost always unsafe and violate Google's terms. The safest approach is simple. Use your Google Play balance for legitimate purchases, subscriptions, or approved digital services, and avoid any shortcuts promising cash transfers. That is the only way to protect your account in 2026. So here's the bottom line. There is no direct way to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. Any method claiming otherwise is not official and often risky. The smart move is to use your balance strategically to reduce your real expenses instead of trying unsafe conversions. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more clear guides, and comment below what you were trying to do with your Google Play balance. It helps others avoid the same confusion.